Hello, this is a time-wasting project video and should be fun. I haven't really gotten around to learning socket programming as fast as I wanted to. I just kept coming across things that needed to be done, but I debugged a lot of my projects, well, all of them, to the point that I wanted them to be debugged at, and I have been working on SpeedReader Enhanced a bit because it's just overly popular. It's my most popular program now. And so here we're going to make something very random. I'm not even going to tell you what it is. You have to guess as I'm coding. So I'm going to create a new class. Call it random panel. It's going to extend the panel class. And we're going to change its form border style to fixed single. And we're going to override the mouse click event. Before we do that, we want to create a private static variable. Call it isVertical. Now we want to create some random panels here. Call it panel1 is equal to new panel. Panel1 dot width is equal to this dot width divided by 2. Panel1 dot dock is equal to dock style dot left. Actually, I need to check isVertical. If isVertical, then we're going to do this. That should do the trick. Else, use height instead, and dock top. Okay. Then we're going to add the control. And we're going to do the same thing for another panel. So panel 2. Except we're going to dock it opposite. So if panel 1's docking left, we want to dock this one right. If panel 1's docking top, we want to dock this one bottom. And then we're going to toggle isVertical. Okay. Now we need to make a method called getRandomColor. It's going to return color. Make a random object and make some integers. R is equal to random next 0 256. So I don't think 256 is actually included. Just goes to 0 to 255 as the possible values. I'm not so sure about this, but I'm pretty sure that's how it is. And we're going to do the same thing for RGB. Then we're going to return our color. So color, oops. From RGB, RGB. Okay, and now we need to set the colors of our panels. So panel1 dot back color is equal to get random color. We're going to do the same thing for panel 2. And that may just be it. So let's add this random panel. Just going to expand the form a bit. Okay, let's boot it up. Oh, it works fine. You'll notice that the colors for the two panels added in a single panel are the same, as well as the colors are kind of limited. They're a bit dull. It's just because the random objects just doesn't have enough time to seed, so it's hard to explain, but basically if you put your random object at global scope, you won't have seed problems. So I'm going to create a static random object here. There we go, our colors are a bit different now. Okay, so I just thought of a really bad idea, so let's do that right now. Okay, so that works. Now we're just going to stop the timer. Whoa! Oh no! Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to have to close that. Oh dear. Okay, let's try this again. The designer view is closed. Damn it. Okay, so I'm going to have to we're going to have to edit the file manually. So let's do that right now. Let's go into the random panel here, and we're only going to start the timer if we're not in designer view. So if not, design mode. There we go, it's working good now. Oh my god. Oh god, it's doing it in designer view now. I tried to use the design mode variable for the component here. It didn't work out too well. Doesn't always work for me. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Maybe I'm doing something wrong.